Alright guys, today we're opening packs, hunting for Neymar. Will we finally pack the king? Or is this another heartbreak? Let's find out. Alright, first pack, let's start light. Neymar, just walk out early and save me the heartbreak. If I get Neymar in the first spin, I might actually forgive Konami for everything they've done to me. Konami really said, here's a random silver card. Enjoy! Oh, great. Another player I didn't ask for. Love that. Come on, Konami. Don't be shy. Just slide Neymar into my squad. I could have bought a jersey with Neymar's name on it. Instead, I got pain. Half my balance gone, and still no Neymar. This is a scam simulator, not a football game. Bro, I'm not opening packs anymore. I'm opening wounds. If Neymar doesn't show up in the next spin, I'm calling customer support. This isn't pack luck, this is pack punishment. Bro, these packs are so rigged. I'm not even opening them anymore. I'm just donating money to Konami. At this point, I'm collecting the whole league, except Neymar. I feel like Neymar is watching me struggle from his mansion, just laughing. Why does it feel like Konami put Neymar in a special VIP section, and I'm stuck outside the club? Konami really gave me hope and then snatched it away like a last-minute VAR decision. $70. I spent $70 US all for one man, Neymar. Konami didn't just break my wallet, they broke me. Will Neymar finally walk out? Or am I about to question all my life choices? Alright, last pack. Konami, it's your final chance to fix this. Show me Neymar or I'm uninstalling. If Neymar doesn't walk out now, I'm writing a strongly worded email to Konami. This is it. $70, one dream, and a whole lot of regret. Finally, is this the moment? Wait, is this? It's him. It's Neymar. Oh my God, I finally did it. $70. So many spins. So much pain. And finally, he's here. Konami, you broke me. But Neymar fixed me. Guys, this isn't just a player. This is closure. To everyone watching, never give up. If I can get Neymar after all this, You can achieve anything. Konami, we still got beef. But Neymar, welcome home. Neymar is finally home. What a journey. If you enjoyed the pain and the hype, subscribe to the channel. More crazy pack openings coming soon. See you in the next one. Peace.